Are you looking to start a small food business with low investment and high profits? A Dosa Point might be the perfect idea for you. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple and practical business plan to start your own dosa corner, step by step. Choose a location with high footfall near colleges, tech parks, markets, or bus stands. Even a 10 by 10 stall or food cart is enough to start. Make sure there's access to water, power, and a clean setup. Initial investment can range from 50,000 to 1.5 lakhs, depending on whether it's a cart or a small shop. You'll need dosa tawa, gas stove and cylinders, grinder or batter supply, serving plates, disposable cutlery, raw materials like rice, urad dal, oils and spices. Start with a simple and attractive menu: plain dosa, masala dosa, onion dosa, cheese dosa, and special dosa combos. Offer coconut chutney, tomato chutney, and sambar as sides. Price your dosas between 30 to 100 rupees based on the type. On average, each dosa costs 10 to 20 rupees to make. If you sell 100 dosas per day, you can easily earn 1,000 to 2,000 rupees profit daily. That's 30,000 to 60,000 rupees per month. Promote your Dosa Point using WhatsApp and local food groups, Google location tag, discounts for first-time customers, uniform and clean setup for trust, daily special dosa to attract repeat customers. Once your business picks up, consider home delivery via Zomato, Swiggy, opening multiple stalls or a food truck, offering dosa catering at small events. Starting a Dosa Point is not just about food, it's about passion, consistency, and great service. Start small, dream big, and keep flipping success like dosas. Subscribe for more food business ideas.